Hey everybody, I'm out here in my yard and I just bought this at the Water Conservation Garden and I'm going to hang it up in my trees, and I have some others that I have, so that's what I'm doing right now. And check this out, isn't this cute? This is handmade and has a little bell on it. So I need to find a spot for it right now up in this tree. I need a better hook, but for now, let's see, where can I hang this? Alright, well, I have my little tree decoration hanging up, so that's pretty. Okay, so today my project is repairing this bird bath, at least beginning to prepare it. So what I'm going to do is take this off, and I'm going to show you this, but it has a hole in it right here, and this is made with fiberglass and then with the light coating of some sort of paint. There's another hole here and another hole here. And how this started was the crows. This was filled up with water, and this was like over a year, 2 years ago actually, filled up with water, and the crows would come and they dip their food in here, and they like to get it wet and soak it before they eat it. And they come in here and they're also pecking at this, and they pecked a hole more than once in this bird bath, and it's been sitting out in my yard forever, and I'm like, okay, I need to fix this. So I got me some special JB Weld patch, and I'm thinking I might need some more because I didn't realize there was more damage to it because the birds were probably still pecking on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start washing this first and give it a nice clean scrub down and with some soap and water, and then after that I'll go on to my next step. Alright, so I'm done cleaning this, and I have to let it dry before I patch these holes. And there's a lot more cracks on this than I thought, so hopefully I'll be able to fix it. But the first thing I'm going to do is patch these bigger holes, and I'll come back and recoat this with something safe for the birds. Okay, so let's let this dry and I'll be back. Okay, today is day 2, and I'm getting ready to patch up my bird bath water fountain I have. And what's happening is there's more damage than I thought there actually was. So I don't even know if I have enough to repair it today, but I'm going to start. So this is made with fiberglass, and it's actually hollow too. So I think what I'm going to do is start with this one bigger hole right here and patch it up, and I'm hoping I have enough for this, and maybe I will finish this up with some fiberglass or something I might have in the garage, because I don't want to go out and spend more money if I don't have to. So I'm going to begin. I have this JB Weld water weld, and it's like a putty, which I'm going to use, and it's the first time using this putty. I've used other types of JB Weld for lots of things, and I've been using it for years, and I like using it because I don't like using crazy glue. Crazy glue, it's a mess. Crazy glue gets all over my hands. It's not strong enough that I want crazy glue for it to work, and especially out here I need something that's thicker and stronger, and it's gonna last longer in this weather. So this here says it works on fiberglass, which is this, PVC, copper, iron, plumbing, boats, water, gas tanks, most chemicals. It's a water welled putty, and it's actually, it also says drinking water safe. So, and this is going to be for the bird, so I want to make sure it's safe. I am going to coat it with something after I put this on, but the safer the better. So, JB Water Weld. And let's get this started. Whoa. So, let's see if I can get it out of there. There we go. And let me put on my gloves. Always wear your PPE. And I also sanded down this also after I cleaned it. You want to sand it and kind of rough up the surface so this will attach better anything if you're going to use paint or anything. So let's see. It has a plastic cover on it. And I'm thinking this is only going to cover up the one I have here. So there'll probably be a day 3. So after you get it, it says to cut it the size you need, and then to get this activated, you're going to squish this all together. Oh, there's a piece of plastic in here or something. So it says keep kneading till it gets to be a uniform color, which it seems like that already. Okay, today is day 4 of working on repairing this bird bath I have, this bird bath fountain. And I went ahead and I patched up the holes on this one right there. And it doesn't look great now, but it will look great when I'm finished with it, I really believe, hopefully. So anyways, I have some paint I found in the garage, and it's a exterior wood paint, it says, and other things, and it's to coat and to seal, and it's for outside. So I'm actually going to use this on just the base. I don't want to use it up on here because I don't think it's a safe paint to use. And I'm going to use a safer non-toxic paint for the actual part where the water goes for the bird bath. So I'm going to start right now. Okay, so I'm now going to lift this over and attach this. And it kind of locks into place. All right. So the outside is sealed, and I'm still going to paint this again with some more different colors down here, but this is already sealed and coated. And now I'm going to do the top, and I'm going to paint it with some acrylic water-based paint, because that's pretty much non-toxic for the birds, but I'm still going to coat it after that, but that's what I'm going to paint. Just going to quickly brush this on here. And I'm not even trying to be neat with it because it doesn't really matter. Hi, good day everybody. So I am on day 5 of working on this bird bath fountain. And so this is what I'm doing today. I'm going to start coloring it. I don't know what color I really want to paint it, so I'm just going to go for it. And I have all my water-based acrylic paints, all of my different colors, and I'm just going to start painting. All right, today is day 8. Yep, I'm still working on this. And today I'm going to be putting a epoxy coating on top of my bird bath fountain, and I'm going to show you what I'm using. So I have right here, it's called Pond Shield, and it's used to fix cracks, scratches, pits, holes, and chipped areas in water fountains and ponds. And I bought this on Amazon. It comes clear, it comes tinted. This is tinted. It's not that cheap. And I bought 4 of them, and I'm hoping to only use 3 because I want to use the 4th one on the other part of the water fountain. So as you could see, it comes with 2 bags right here, and it has the instructions. So what it tells you to do is you're going to grip firmly on each side of the Pro Pack and pull apart to open, clip, and remove. So I'm going to set this right there, and let me see, I got to get my sponge. I got a sponge, an old sponge I'm going to use, so, and a brush just in case. So it says remove this clip, just like that, and then it says breaks apart like that, and I think, yep, there it goes. You're going to mix this in together just like that, I believe, and you just start mixing it, and it's going to blend the epoxy with the color. You know what, I need to go get some scissors. All right, I have the bag of the epoxy mixed together, and I'm going to cut a corner piece off of here, and we'll start doing this. And this is, you know, for ponds, and it's on water fountains, and it's safe for birds, and that's why I'm using this. So there's 1. All right, so I'm going to start painting this with the brush and smoothing it all around in here, but I want to make sure I get all of this out of here. I don't want any of this to go to waste. And let's see. I'll see how much this spreads out. Oh, this is going to look nice. So this is what it looks like. I have a epoxy coating on here. It's safe for the birds. It seals up all the cracks. Hi. Hello. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hi. Hello. Oh my God. All right, everybody. Today is the last day of doing my bird bath, and I'm really excited. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting on this clear coat. That's the last thing. And I have a solar pump for it. And so today we get to see it running, and I'm really excited to share that with you. Okay, everybody, I installed a 6.5 watt solar power pump, and I have it all hooked up, and it's up inside of here. And I'm going to add some, special little stones I have that says peace on top of my fountain. And I made this, and this was a worry stone that also says peace, so that's going on there. And I have another nice little flat stone I found. Put it right there. And then I have some pretty beads, and these beads actually have a cross on them, and they're blue and gold, so I thought it would be pretty to put on there too. And the fountain also comes with these tips, and I'm not going to use them because it's windy and the water will blow everywhere. So, but let's get this going. I have my solar panel right here. Don't need